just before going to the third case, I have a open question for you guys. Assume like a client from the airline industry just want to visualize the routes or maybe like number of flights flying from one state to other or whatever. Like what type of visualization you will think of, so it will be more effective to the client.
You can use a map, and there is this path option in the shelf, right? Just like you have the size label tooltip, I think that there is something called as a path. I believe using that you can visualize the flight routes.
Okay, it's what, like more or less I had the same. So once you select the airport, we can just see how many flights are flying from the origin airport to the end. So this is the visualization. Yeah, but just we will see how to make this. So before making this visualization, we will just try to see what type are like so airline routes. If you view data, we have like airline. That's the name of airline, destination airport, origin airport, and route details. Destination latitude, destination longitude. This is the latitude and longitude of destination airport, the destination point, and similarly origin latitude and longitude. However, in Tableau, though, if you don't have these details, you can if you just if you have the proper name, we have an option to assign the geographical role. For example, currently like everything here is assigned the geographical role. If you go there, if you select the geographical role, if you give airport, automatically Tableau will generate latitude and longitude. There won't be any issues. So yeah. So now we'll just see how to make that visualization. So we have like destination latitude and longitude. You will just try to create a point. When I mean point, the destination latitude and longitude. By using this, you will create a point for the destination airport. Over this can be easily done by using some of the functions, spatial functions whichever you have. If you go there and select spatial, yeah. So MAKELINE, what it does is, it will MAKEPOINT, what it does is, like once if you give the input of latitude and longitude, it will just create a point. And MAKELINE, what it does is, once if you assign the starting airport and destination airport, origin airport and destination airport, it will just make a line for us. And distance also, once you just give both the points, it will calculate. And I'm not sure about this buffer. Yeah. So buffer is nothing but just move the point like 5 kilometers away from the given latitude or not. So however, in this session we will just use MAKEPOINT and MAKELINE function. Origin airport. So MAKEPOINT. By using this, first what is the syntax? We have to give latitude then longitude. Okay. So origin latitude, origin airport condition, convert it into maps. We are supposed to put like longitude in column. Longitude in column. Convert. Yeah, so now we got the origin airport for all the states. Similarly, we have to create destination airport as well. Get calculated with destination airport. Tab, MAKEPOINT, first latitude. Okay, so destination latitude. Destination. Okay, so now we got destination airport. So now we will just make line. That's nothing but route. Make line. So start is nothing but origin. Or sorry, the end is destination. Okay. So yeah, we got to just go to color. Black. Reduce focus. Size as map, background maps. We'll just give outdoors, so it will be more. Yeah, we'll pull the origin detail. So once now, if you select the origin airport, you just show where how many our flights are like flying. Currently, we don't have like number of flights flying from here. That we can just pull them and drop in size. So it will be even be quantifying us like how many flights are flying from one airport to other. So this origin airport, and we can add so many details in like tooltip destination airport.
So, Jairam, how did you, like in between it changed, right? Did you go to a different sheet or?
No, it's the same sheet. Just
mhm.
yeah.
Then how did it change? I'm just trying to understand. Did you apply some filters or something?
No. So we have latitude, longitude. We have created a field route, which is nothing but make line between to make a line between the origin point and destination.
Got it. And I got that. So in between,
once
just
if you pull
if you
detail,
just a few
once
seconds before, I got how the line is made and how the whole chart is made. I got that part. So in between, you just changed, right? It showed only one origin and several destinations, right? So how did you get that?
Yeah. Just if you go there and to get that, just you have to pull the origin airport into detail. Not as collect, but visual. Now if you go there anywhere and if you click, just hover over, you'll be able to see.
Okay.
Just a random click, but we get the exact line. We should make sure that origin airports is there in detail field.
Okay. Yeah. So what does that do? So this is not a dashboard actions or anything like that, right? So why is it doing that?
So we have just pulled the origin airports to detail. For example, earlier if you see like 1 mark, 1 row by 1 column, we haven't assigned like any aggregation or something. But once if we pull the origin airports into detail, so we can see like 191 marks in the left corner. So now like for each airport, it will act like aggregated route starting from the starting point. So as we have like tooltip action in the normal visualization, once you go and hover over it, tooltip will be there. In the map, we have this feature. How many marks are there? If we go and click near each mark, just a click is enough. It will just show the routes which is coming from the airport. This feature we have by inbuilt in the maps.
Got it. Okay, thank you.